Unlock your creative potential and earn substantial income by creating and selling drawing books with the help of AI in 2024. By leveraging AI-powered tools, you can streamline the creation process, enhance your designs, and effectively market your drawing books. Many creators are making upwards of $100,000 annually by selling their drawing books online. Welcome to Day 15 of our 30-day series on earning money online. Today, we're exploring an innovative way to make money, creating and selling drawing books using AI. If you've been following our series, you know we're dedicated to bringing you the most effective strategies for online income. The demand for creative and engaging drawing books is skyrocketing, and with AI-powered tools, you can create stunning designs and reach a broad audience. Imagine making over $100,000 a year by selling your unique drawing books online. Stay tuned to learn how you can tap into this lucrative opportunity. Don't forget to hit share and subscribe so you won't miss any of our valuable insights. Drawing books, also known as coloring books or sketchbooks, are collections of illustrations designed for people to color or use as guides for drawing. They are popular among both children and adults as a creative and relaxing activity. The market for drawing books is vast and growing. With the rise of adult coloring books, there's a significant demand for high-quality, creative designs. This demand presents a lucrative opportunity for artists and creators to monetize their skills. How AI can use in creating drawing books. Let's discuss it. AI design tools like Adobe Illustrator with AI integration, Procreate, and Canva Pro can help you create intricate and appealing designs. These tools offer features such as automated pattern generation, symmetry tools, and AI-powered suggestions that can enhance your creativity and efficiency. AI tools like DeepArt and DALL-E can generate unique art styles and design inspirations. By inputting keywords or themes, these tools can create a variety of artistic concepts that you can refine and incorporate into your drawing books. AI-powered software like Prisma and Luminar can enhance your illustrations by adding effects, adjusting colors, and refining details. This ensures your drawing books stand out with high-quality and visually appealing designs. Sarah started creating model drawing books in 2021. By leveraging AI design tools, she was able to produce intricate and beautiful model designs efficiently. She sold her books on Amazon and Etsy, and in 2024, her annual earnings exceeded $120,000. Sarah attributes her success to AI. Michael turned his love for fantasy art into a profitable business by creating and selling fantasy-themed coloring books. Using AI tools to generate ideas and enhance his illustrations, he published his books on Gumroad and his personal website. In 2024, Michael's earnings from his drawing books surpassed $100,000. Start by brainstorming themes and concepts for your drawing book. Consider your target audience and what kind of designs would appeal to them. Popular themes include nature, mandalas, fantasy, and inspirational quotes. Use AI-powered design tools to create your illustrations. Tools like Adobe Illustrator and Procreate allow you to draw digitally with precision and creativity. Use AI for repetitive tasks. Once you have a collection of illustrations, compile them into a book format. Use tools like Canva Pro or Adobe InDesign to arrange your illustrations and create a professional-looking layout. Ensure your book has a cohesive theme and flow. The cover of your drawing book is crucial for attracting buyers. Use AI tools to design an eye-catching cover that reflects the theme of your book. A well-designed cover can significantly impact your sales. Prepare your drawing book for printing or digital distribution. For physical books, ensure your files meet the printing requirements of your chosen platform. For digital books, format your files as PDFs or ebooks. Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing KDP. Amazon KDP allows you to self-publish and sell your drawing books on Amazon. You can choose to publish your book in both print and digital formats. Amazon's vast customer base provides a significant opportunity for sales. Etsy is a popular platform for selling handmade and creative products, including drawing books. Create an attractive shop profile and leverage Etsy's marketing tools to reach your target audience. Gumroad is a platform for selling digital products. If you're focusing on digital drawing books, Gumroad offers an easy-to-use platform with features for marketing and customer management. For broader distribution, Ingram Spark offers print-on-demand services and can distribute your book to major retailers, libraries, and online stores. And the best part is you can create your own personal website. There are plenty of AI tools available that can create your website in minutes. Creating your own website allows you to have complete control over your brand and sales process. Use platforms like Shopify or WordPress with e-commerce plugins to set up an online store. Invest in SEO and digital marketing to drive traffic to your site. Effective marketing is key to the success of your drawing book. Use the following strategies to promote your book. Leverage platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook to showcase your designs and engage with potential customers. Use AI tools like Hootsuite to schedule posts and analyze engagement. Build an email list and send newsletters to promote your drawing book. Use AI-powered tools like MailChimp to personalize your emails and automate your campaigns. Partner with influencers in the art and creative niche to reach a broader audience. Use AI-driven ad platforms like Google Ads and Facebook Ads to create targeted advertising campaigns. AI can help you optimize your ad spend and reach the right audience.
With AI generating design ideas, it's crucial to ensure that your work remains original and unique. Use AI as a support tool rather than a replacement for your creativity. Add your personal touch to every design to stand out in the market. Creating a drawing book can be time-consuming. Use AI tools to automate repetitive tasks and streamline your workflow. Set realistic deadlines and take breaks to avoid burnout and maintain creativity. Each selling platform has its policies and requirements. Familiarize yourself with these policies to avoid any issues with your listings. Stay updated on changes to platform policies and adapt accordingly. AI technology will continue to evolve, offering more advanced tools for design and marketing. Stay updated on these advancements and be ready to incorporate new AI features into your workflow. The demand for digital products, including drawing books, is expected to grow. Consider offering digital versions of your drawing books to cater to this market. Use AI tools to enhance the digital experience for your customers. AI technology allows for the creation of customizable drawing books. Offer personalized designs where customers can choose themes, names, or specific elements. This adds a unique touch and can increase customer satisfaction and sales. Here is the complete summary of what has discussed in this video. Creating and selling drawing books using AI in 2024 offers a pathway to significant earnings and creative fulfillment. By leveraging AI tools for design, idea generation, and marketing, you can produce high-quality drawing books and reach a broad audience. Whether you're an experienced artist or just starting, the key to success lies in originality, effective marketing, and continuous adaptation to new trends. Start your journey today and join the ranks of creators earning over $100,000 annually. Remember to hit share and subscribe so you won't miss any valuable insights from our 30-day series. Thank you for joining us on day 15. Stay tuned for more. Hit like button and share this video with others to grow our audience and help your friends who want to earn money. Subscribe our channel and press the bell button to keep updated with our every new technique of earning money online.